So it's been a while since we messed with a bike on the channel, but this is the Trail Hunter Sportster. You might sing it on and off on the channel a few times, maybe glimpses in the background and stuff. This actually was wrecked, and you know, it took some damage. Forks took a big hit. The forks was totaled. It's actually got Honda forks on it now, just to roll around. But that's fine, because if the frame ain't damaged, we can always put us a spring of front end on it if I build it. But I'm going to be removing these shocks here, and I'm going to be selling these shocks. Basically because if I do build this frame, and this frame is good, I'm going to put a hardtail on it. So I won't be needing these. This is aftermarket, and it's around Christmas. So if you all need shocks, these will be on my eBay store. Description below. Now these is some pipes off of another Sportster. Pots back. We set that over here. I don't know if I was going to be using them. I thought about doing some custom exhaust. It is getting winter. Now this bike was down at the shop with CB and the Nighthawk, but I'm going to be showing you how to remove the wheel shocks on this. That way I have something to work on while I'm up here, you know? Can't be at the shop 24/7. So we need an Allen head to fit this top bolt. Very simple. Remove your own shocks, and they shouldn't be super tight. So let's go ahead, make sure it fits in good. This is a size, whoops, pipe scared me. Duralast, a size 50. So that's what it says. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure it fits good. Keep your hand pressure. Oh, it's stripped. Look at that. It didn't fit good. We got it. And on the closer inspection, this is a Torx head, not an Allen head. It looks like. Once I get it out, we'll zoom in on it. See what we got. Now, it will be a shaft your shocks set on, so they're not going to pop off on you. These is a nice set of aftermarkets. Well, I guess they will pop off on you. Usually there's a shaft, but I might be thinking of the XV250 Yamaha, because we did recently build one of them on the channel. If you're not seeing it, go check out the playlist. This is the bolt, and it's an Allen head. Just make sure it fits in there nice and snug. This one's been damaged before. I'm going to hang on to this in case I want to maybe put some other type of shocks on. Now this bottom bolt, well, we lay it here. This bottom bolt here is a twist, so you're going to need a socket to fit it. And you don't want to use a trail point, use a 6-point. And let's try to find what size we got. It's a 19. And it just breaks loose. Simple and easy. Unless it's got a nut on the back side. And it does. The wrench is probably a 20 or something. This is the nut and little bushing too. These actually might be specific for these shocks, but these shocks is aftermarket. It's a very nice set of shocks here. I'm going to clean them up. I ain't going to be using them, but somebody might could use them. I mean, they probably will fit a couple of different bikes, but yeah, they're pretty nice. They will low one shocks. So now everything out of the way, you want something to set your bike on, because this will fall straight down once you get the other side off. These from my other pipe here. These are, I don't know what they are, but they got a dent in them here, what was wrecked. The other one's floating around here. It's that simple to remove your own shocks on your Harley Davidson Trail Hunter Sportster 883. Probably the same from 80s to 2000s, you know. Harley didn't change a lot, but cosmetics, about everything bolts on. So, all in all, very easy to do yourself. Just remember, when you move your other shock, it will drop down. So if you're replacing shocks, do one side at a time. Take your old shock off, put your new shock on, then do the other side. That way you don't have to, you know, have a ratchet strap with a cherry picker holding your back end of your bike up. Trust me, how I know. Oh, this is another one of the little projects here. You know, everybody loves this bike, just the style of it. I'm probably going to have to build this for the channel. It has a major wiring issue. I mean, it is probably going to have new wiring here. And more than I can say, besides it needs a harness built. This one was at the shop too. Brought it up here because we brought in a lot of engine equipment. You know, have you ever had a bunch of extra room in your building? You make room, and then you fill it up. And you're like, I wanted room. But I'm the type of person that if I got space, I cram something in it after I fix, you know, like I don't even need it. Like, I got space for that. And I always got a soft spot for bikes. I say a lot of you do that's watching. Thanks for watching. Get subscribed if you're new. Hope you enjoyed this content. It's December. You know, close to the holidays, so happy holidays. I'll see you on the next video.